Welcome to Vietnamese home cooking, everyone. Today I will cook a quick dish of chow mein noodles and Chinese sauces. It's an easy recipe, but the taste is awesome. This is the kind of noodles that I use for this recipe. First, I will boil a pot of water and add in half teaspoon of salt. Then boil the noodles for a couple of minutes. Rinse with cold water and drain well. I normally prepare the whole pack, but only cook whatever amount I need. The rest will go into the fridge for the next time. If I want to cook it again, I don't have to go through this step anymore. So it's really convenient. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 teaspoon of mushroom seasoning, 2/3 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then 2 tablespoons of plain water and mix well. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and a shallot. Cut the Chinese sauces into slices. Then grill in a hot pan without any oil for a couple of minutes. Then transfer it to a plate and put aside. Now, add 1.5 tablespoons of oil, followed by the minced garlic and shallot. Add in 1.5 cup of broccoli. Stir for 2 minutes. Then add in 2.5 cup of chow mein noodles. Stir for a couple minutes, then add in the sauce. Add some bean sprout. Transfer the Chinese sauces back to the pan as a final, and it's ready to be served. That's it, everyone. We already have a delicious dish of stir-fried noodles in such a little amount of time. Thank you for watching. If you would like to receive more video recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure to turn on the bell.